If you've got a blown up or worn out cylinder head, or you're just looking to build heads, the Cylinder Works 4-stroke cylinder head is the right choice. Cylinder Works 4-stroke cylinder head kit includes your new replacement cylinder head, cam cap bolts, plus C630 nickel, aluminum, and bronze valve seats and guides, which are compatible with titanium and stainless steel valves. These heads offer shortened valve guides to accept higher lift cams, an unshrouded combustion chamber, a nicely blended bowl in the seat to port area, and stock-shaped ports. All this is key to get the optimal performance and volumetric efficiency you're looking for, and why Cylinder Works heads are your best choice. These 4-stroke cylinder head kits are for the 2004 through 2009 Honda CRF 250R bikes. They do not include valves, springs, or lifters. What drives that dirt bike and ATV enthusiast is that feeling of freedom and fear, excitement and anticipation. It's an adrenaline rush that keeps you returning, but to experience those sensations, you need a machine that's ready to tackle the tracks and trails, which is why Cylinder Works offers the best complete aftermarket cylinder head around to increase that adrenaline rush in your ride. A cylinder head sits above the cylinder, closing the cylinder's top, forming the combustion chamber, housing the engine's valves and camshaft. This is where the air fuel enters the engine and the exhaust gas exits the engine, which is why the precision fit and performance is so important, and why Cylinder Works heads are manufactured to OEM combustion shape for an easy install and the perfect fit your cylinder needs for optimal function. The Cylinder Works brand offers enthusiasts quick and affordable access to a line of OEM quality replacements. Made right here in the USA, these Cylinder Works cast aluminum 4-stroke cylinder heads will not let you down. If you're looking for long-lasting quality you can depend on, allowing you to enjoy the thrill of riding day after day, it's gotta be Cylinder Works. Get your new 4-stroke cylinder head today for right around that 360 mark. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit us at our website, cylinder-works.com, and fill out that contact us form. Get new now. Get Cylinder Works.